This video overviews how to set up the incoming data to the Waypoint software. It covers vendors, which are your data publishers, and sources, which is where the data is coming from. To set up a vendor, simply click the plus button at the right side of the screen. From here you can input the vendor name, address, city, state from a drop-down list, zip code, phone numbers, email, fax, contacts, and any additional notes you may have on your vendors. Please note that it is not required to have all these fields filled out, but it is recommended that you have as many fields filled out as possible in order to better reference your vendors. Once you've completed inputting the information, hit the Save Changes button and your vendor will be created. You are able to manually scroll through the list of vendors you've created, or you may perform a search for one by typing in the name. Once your vendor has been created, it is time to set up your sources. Here you can generate your incoming posting instructions and label your data sets. To create a new data source, click the plus sign in the top right. To begin, please select a previously set up vendor from the list. After this is done, input the source company name related to the vendor or the data type that is desired. By default, the status of the source is set to active, but can also be changed to suspended. The rate price is the price being paid for each incoming lead. The software will automatically calculate the cost for you if a value is inputted here. You may input a lead type, such as phones or payday, to better reference the type of incoming data to the source. A unique authentication key is automatically generated once the source has been created, so you don't have to worry about putting anything into this field here. Below this we have the dupe check. Currently it's disabled, but you may enable it by source, global, or source group. The dupe check allows you to check duplicate leads that are coming into the source. It can be set up on a monthly time frame to check for the duplicate leads, and by 3 separate dupe fields from first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, email, or date of birth. Below the dupe check, you have the leads per day and the vendor campaign max fields. The leads per day will set a maximum number of incoming leads on the source. Once this number has been reached, no more leads will be accepted for that day. Likewise, the vendor campaign max places a total cap on the maximum number of leads that may come into the source before it stops accepting new leads. You can then assign the source to a vendor group, or leave this field blank. The newsletter box gives you an opportunity to send an email advertising newsletter to any incoming leads. If this box is checked, it will automatically send an email to all incoming leads with the template you have selected. For information about newsletters and mailing templates, please refer to our other video on mailing templates. Once you have filled out your source's information, hit the Save Changes button and your source will be created. Now that your source has been created, you will notice that the authentication key has been automatically generated. To view the posting instructions to send to your publishers for this source, click the question mark radio button and your posting instructions will pop up in a new window. Simply copy and paste the fields, or save the window as a PDF to send to your publishers. You may also view the historical performance, suspend the source, edit the source, delete the source, view the leads inside the source, or view the campaigns that are using this source for outgoing data. This concludes the setup for new vendors and sources inside the Waypoint software. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us or post below in the comments.